I was at NASA for 40 years prior to joining Genesis after I retired, so I've been to many different typical aerospace events, nothing like this. So as a small business, this is the perfect event for us. This is the first time we've ever ventured out to do something like this on our own. A very focused environment, have conversations with about 24 companies and learn a lot from them, what they're looking for, learn how Genesis can improve our solutions, and just have that conversation where we wouldn't be able to do that in other events. Yes, Draga went through multiple telecons and told us what the expectations are, and we agreed to them, and Marcus Evans delivered for us. To have these types of conversations and maybe to walk away with opportunities for new business was something we weren't too sure about, and that is exactly what happened.